Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make flowers from this soft yarn. You will need the soft bulk yarn and two size of hooks. I chose the hook number 4.5 and 5.5. We need two sizes of the hook because we will make two sizes of flowers. So I'm going to start with smaller hook and start with magic loop. If you don't know how to make magic loop, just click on the link below this video. Chain 4, now I'm going to make 4 treble crochet. So yarn over again, and now insert the hook into the magic loop, grab the yarn, and now you have 4 loops on your hook. Grab the yarn, pull it through 2, grab the yarn, pull it through 2, and grab the yarn and pull it through 2 last loops. This is treble crochet. Make it 3 more times. I have done 4 treble crochets plus chain 4, and now just make a slip stitch. So we have done 1 flower. Chain 4 and repeat the pattern again. So yarn over again, make treble crochet. This is 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slip stitch and repeat that 2 times. You should have done 4 flowers together. So pause the video and meet me back at the end. I have done 4 flowers. At the end, make a slip stitch. Pull this end of yarn and tighten. Cut the yarn Make a knot, and that's all. If you will use a bigger hook, you will get bigger flower. If you will use smaller hook, you will get smaller flower. So we can use bigger one for now. I want to show you one more way how to crochet flower. Start with magic loop again. And chain 2. And now we will make just double crochets in this pattern. I have done 4 double crochets and now make just slip stitch. Then chain 2 and 4 double crochets into the magic ring. Repeat that 2 more times and meet me back at the end. I have done 4 flowers. Now make a slip stitch like always. Make the circle tighten. And make a knot. If you have any questions, write me here, or you can write me on my Instagram profile @ThomasSheep. So thank you very much for watching and see you soon. Bye bye.